Navigating to your gallery on Samsung Smart TV.
Hello everyone. Today we'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to access the gallery on your Samsung Smart TV. This feature allows you to view photos and other media files directly from your television.
What do you need?
Before starting, make sure you have a Samsung Smart TV and your media files, like photos or videos, are stored on a USB drive or any other compatible storage device.
Connecting your USB drive.
Let's start by connecting your storage device to the TV. 1. Plug your USB drive into one of the USB ports on your Samsung Smart TV. You'll usually find these ports on the side or back of your TV.
Accessing the source menu.
Once your USB drive is connected, you can navigate to your files. 1. Grab your Samsung Smart TV remote and press the Source button. This opens up the source menu on your screen. 2. Now, use the arrow keys on the remote to highlight the USB option. Once highlighted, press the Enter or OK button to select it.
Navigating to the gallery.
Once you've selected the USB option, you should see a list of files or folders in your storage device. 1. Use the arrow keys on your remote to navigate to the folder containing your images or videos. Press Enter or OK to open it. 2. Inside the folder, navigate to and select your desired file. Your image or video should now display on your TV. And there you have it. You've now learned how to access the gallery on your Samsung Smart TV. It's a great feature for sharing photos or videos with friends and family. Enjoy exploring your media on the big screen. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more useful guides.